and welcome back to the shop. I am the Spirited Maker, and on this cold winter day I wanted to show you my latest 3D print. It is called Dracula's Tower, and it is a puzzle box that you can store something in to give as a present, and then they have to figure out how to open it before they can get the present. This thing took about 15 to 20 hours to print the parts, so it's not a quick print, that's for sure. What it is an internal maze with inside it, and you can print harder versions or easier versions depending on what you want. This is the hard version. So what I'm going to do is attempt to open it, because I don't know the solution, but we're going to try and open it. So what you do is you slide it back and forth, and there's an internal maze that you're trying to follow or make your way out of to open it. And there are definitely dead ends, but there you go. So as you can see, there's a cylinder that turns within here when you're doing the slider, and the maze is printed on the side, on both sides actually. So it's a pretty neat little, puzzle box and gift container. You've got to make them earn their gift. So I thought I'd show y'all this. I like it, and I'm probably going to print some and put on Etsy. So if I do, I'll put a link below. So like I said, so far I'm very impressed with this printer. It's an Ender Pro 3. All right. Well, thank you for spending some time with me today. It's cold. I can't even speak. I hope you like this video. If you do, please like, share, and subscribe, the typical YouTube stuff. And as always, my friends, God bless, and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.